Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I'm going to share with you the Winter Memories collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes a collection kit, 6 beautiful papers that are double-sided, a die paper, an element sticker sheet, stamps, coordinating dies, as well as an ephemera pack. Let's take a closer look at each of the pieces in this collection. This is the Winter Memories collection kit. It includes 2 of each of the beautiful designs of paper that are double-sided, as well as the element sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of those pieces of paper. This paper is called Greetings, and if you like to do pocket page scrapbooking or add small journaling spots to your scrapbook page, or even use cut-aparts on cards, this is the perfect place to start. It includes 2 of the 4x6 cut-aparts, as well as all of these lovely different 3x4 cut-aparts with these adorable little critters, including the fox, the bunny, my favorite, the little raccoon. The back side of the Greetings paper includes great song lyrics that you could use for a background, whether it be a frame for your favorite winter picture or a 12x12 layout. There are lots of options for this beautiful background paper. This paper is called Gathering. It features all of the heartwarming critters that Becky has created throughout this whole collection. It includes wonderful snowy pine trees, snowflakes, pine boughs, pine cones. The back of this paper features this lovely weathered wood. This paper is called First Snow, and watching the news, it looks as though many of our friends in the northern states have already received their first and maybe even second dropping of snow, and it's only the middle of October. So you might want this for your snowy pictures. This gorgeous paper has more of an off-white background with lots of fun shapes of snowflakes. This gorgeous paper comes with a navy background on the back with lots of tiny snowflakes in just a hint of a lighter blue color. Great for mounting, matting, as well as making cards. The Winter Dwellers paper features this beautiful blue jay on a pine bough. With this light blue background, there's tiny white dots of snow falling from the sky. The back of this paper is more of a cornflower blue with navy polka dots. This paper is called Poinsettias. It includes both white and red poinsettias with a beautiful pine bough in the background, including some great pine cones, lovely flower buds on a navy background. The back of this paper features a very subtle pine bough background. The Woodland Friends paper features all of these little tiny critters that Becky has sprinkled in throughout the collection with this lovely blue background and little tiny snowflakes falling down. The back of that paper has a wonderful stripe that allows you to mix and match the stripe with all of the papers in the collection, because it has hints of the light blue, this kind of greenish brown, this hunter green, as well as bits of burgundy, white, and navy. So pretty. This is the Elements sticker sheet. It includes 2 fun borders, lots of words and sayings, as well as tags, frames, some floral bouquets, which would be fun on cards and layouts. This great Noel. It also includes the fun critters like the deer, the raccoon, the fox, the bear, the bunny, this tiny squirrel, the birds, and so much more. Like with many of our collections, they have stamps and matching dies in the collection. So the Winter Memories collection has 3 fun little animals, including the bear, the deer, and the bird, 2 snowflakes, this little pine bough, and a couple different sentiments. So we have Hello Winter, Thinking of You, Your Friendship Warms My Heart, and Warm Winter Wishes. There's also a coordinating die set for the larger pieces in the stamp set. One of the bonuses for purchasing the die set is that you can also purchase the dies paper that coordinates. So if you want to make some quick and easy cards, you can do that with this sheet of paper that allows you to cut apart using the dies the different pieces in this page, including the birds, the deer, the bear, these little pine boughs, the snowflakes, and then you can take your paper cutter and trim out some of the different sayings. Now, right here in this tiny little spot is a little picture of a sample card. So not only do you get lots of pieces that you can cut out, but you also get all of the pieces to create this one card. And I put the card together and it looks like this. So you're going to cut this piece out, and that's your background, which is here. This banner strip right here is the part that you see on the card. And I popped it up with foam tape to give it a little bit more dimension. There's this little tiny piece of blue that is the background for our little deer. And then I die cut one of the deer to mount on top. And I added foam tape to give it depth and dimension. And when you purchase this paper, you have one card that's ready to go as soon as you get it. I want to show you the other pieces in this kit as well. And you get all of these lovely different animals. Lots of deer. Fun little birds that you could easily put in the sky. These adorable snowflakes. As well as a whole host of different greetings. Warm wishes, thinking of you. Different colors if you want to add something that's a burgundy or a green or a navy. Once you purchase the dies, you can easily pick up a piece of die paper and have all of these different options to cut out with the coordinating dies. You can also stamp and die cut them. But if you're in a hurry and need a quick card, you can grab a piece of die paper, cut out all of the elements, grab your favorite sheet from the collection, and make 6 or 7 different cards and have these beautiful little critters ready to go. Add foam tape, pop them up, and you've got dimensional cards for any occasion. And that is the Winter Memories collection. I hope you enjoy this collection as much as we do. If you like this video, please like, share, and leave a message.